Hi there, students. As dull as ditch water, or nowadays as dull as dishwater as well. So dull means boring. So if somebody is as dull as ditch water, they're an extremely boring person. Yeah? You use this particularly to talk about people, to describe how they are. But you could say the film was as dull as dishwater. So notice the original phrase was ditch water, but now dishwater, I think they're using it to talk about the water that you wash the dishes with, and it sounds very similar. Yeah, so that's why I think you've got both possibilities, as dull as ditch water or as dull as dishwater. Yeah, notice a ditch is like a long trough, a long hole in the ground where the water runs. Very often next to a road you'll have a ditch so that the water runs off the road and into the ditch. So ditch water's muddy water, yeah, and dishwater's the dirty water that you have when you do the washing up. Can you imagine how both of those would taste? Really boring. Okay, so if something is extremely tedious, yeah, if it's extremely slow and uninteresting, yeah, if it drives you mad because nothing happens, you could say this is as dull as ditch water. Okay, the play was as dull as dishwater. Alex's video was as dull as dishwater. Okay, so this is a simile, yeah, as dull as dishwater. Notice this is quite informal, yeah, so this is good for an informal conversation, something like that. But in a formal document you would need to say extremely boring, extremely uninteresting, or something like that. So as dull as ditch water, extremely boring. There you go. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. As dull as dishwater, as dull as ditch water.